Hello, good evening all. Good evening
Good evening,
everyone.
sir.
Good
Good
evening.
evening, good evening.
Good evening, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
So welcome to CAD-VERCITY. Yes, it's our first day, design day 1. Perfect. So yes, we know that you already have so many doubts. So what we have noticed in every new 7 days of CAD-VERCITY, whenever we are in the new 7 days of CAD-VERCITY, your doubts will be common. Okay. So we have a presentation. We will go through the presentation. Okay. Then, if you have any specific doubt which we have not covered in the presentation, we can discuss. Okay. And also, yes, please keep your CATIA session open. Okay. Quickly. Because for next 7 days, you will be performing with us. Okay. Side by side. Okay. Whatever we are doing, you will have to repeat. Clear? Any doubt? So in next 15-20 minutes, we will finish one small presentation. After that, we will continue to our design. Okay, we will start our design portion. Is it clear? Any doubt?
Clear, sir.
Perfect. Please take care. See, the sessions we are recording. Okay, we are recording the live sessions. Okay, and the same recording you are going to receive after our session. Means let's say if we close our session till 10 p.m. Okay, within 30 minutes you will receive the recording. Also, you will receive the same design file what I will open on my side. Okay, so please take care. There should be no background noise. There should be no background noise. Okay, please take care. Let me share my screen. Let me share my screen. Okay, those who are facing issue to join this link, you can connect the second link. Okay. Okay, can you see my screen quickly? Can you see my screen? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
Perfect.
sir.
Perfect. Just a minute. Okay. Can you see the presentation? Yes or no? Can you see the presentation? First slide, CAD-VERCITY.
Yes, sir.
yes,
Perfect.
visible.
Sir,
Sorry, sorry,
visible.
sorry. Any doubt? Or shall I continue?
Visible, sir, visible.
Perfect.
No doubt,
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you, Akash. Thank you for confirmation. Okay. So welcome to CAD-VERCITY. This is our design day 1. Okay. Myself, Deepak, and the second mentor will be Pranav. Okay. You have received two links. Okay. Link 1 and link 2. You can join any link. In the first link, you will connected with me, or in the second link, you will connected with the Pranav. Okay. So myself Deepak, okay, I'm having experience more than 12 years in automobile industry, okay, completely in design, okay. So I have worked with so many OEMs like BMW, Tesla, Audi, Mercedes, Daimler, Volvo, and etc. Okay. So I have also worked in interiors and sittings and exteriors, okay, having combined experience in all three domains, okay. Let me show you. Let's go through the presentation first, okay. Yes. Introduction. Okay, what is CAD-VERCITY? Okay, CAD-VERCITY is a company, okay, who is providing the design solutions to the MNCs and OEMs. Okay, also side by side, we are also providing the trainings, industrial training in MNCs. Okay, we have specific training of 6 months, especially in MNCs. We visit MNC. Okay, we have one team. We visit MNC, and on the paid basis, the companies are paying us for the trainings. Okay, so we notice that most of the candidates who are joining the MNCs, they don't have the knowledge of design. So what we have planned? We have planned to provide the same training out of outside of the companies. Means those who are preparing for MNCs and OEM, they can take the training, the same training what we are providing in the MNCs, the same training you can take it from CAD-VERCITY. Okay. So what we are doing? Okay. So we are specialized in automobile interiors, exteriors, seating, product design and development, project-based professional trainings, what I have mentioned just now. Okay. Third party resource support means if MNCs and OEM are having projects and if they don't have the manpower for the designing, means they if they don't have the designers, so we will provide them the designers, good designers, okay, but not directly. Okay, we will provide the resume, okay, the selected resume which are very powerful from our side. We will share that resume with them, they will conduct the design test and they will conduct the interview. After that they will keep our designers on their side for the project basis. Okay, and the IT support and services, same for the ITs like cloud service, AWS service, like that, Salesforce. Okay. Okay, everyone knows we have the official YouTube channel, yes or no? You can
Yes, sir.
open your YouTube app, okay, and you can search for the CAD-VERCITY. Please put the name properly, CADVERCITY. You can subscribe our channel. Okay, this is our
Sure,
official
sure,
YouTube channel. Okay,
sure, sure.
here what you will get. Okay, sir, you already have the training, so many training videos. You already have so many training videos on YouTube channel. Also, after that also you are taking the design days, 7 days of free CAD-VERCITY. Okay, free 7 days of CAD-VERCITY. Okay, why? Because whenever we start our new batch, okay, we keep at least 7 days free for all. We are not asking for money, nothing. You can attend the 7 days. Okay, after that you can decide whether you want to continue or not. Okay, perfect. If you click on the more, okay, on YouTube channel, you will get the fee structure, but the benefit is in 7 days. Yes, sir, are you providing the complete training free? No. Okay, we are not providing. See, someone has subscribed the YouTube channel. Thank you. Amarjit Singh, thank you, sir. Thank you. Sagnik Banerjee, thank you so much. Okay, so yes, we are taking some charges, but not like the other institute or local centers. Okay, we are not taking higher charges. Okay, you will get the fee structure and all. Okay, just wait for me. If you click on the more button, you will get the complete fee structure, but within 7 days if you are registering for the complete program, you will get a discount, no issue. Next. Okay, I think in WhatsApp group you got one voting. Let me check. See, let me show you the voting. Okay, yes, everyone agree, yes or no, quickly. See, the answer is 72 candidates has voted like Katia. Here is the voting. The MNCs and OEM are working on Katia. The first, the second license what MNCs and OEM is having, the ugnx. Clear? Anyone knows what is the reason? Why not others, Creo, SolidWorks, Solid Age, or AutoCAD? Anyone knows the reason? Quickly. What is the reason?
Due to parametric modeling.
We have parametric modeling in all software. Any other reason?
Because of good surface options,
Perfect.
surfacing options.
Perfect. Because of the license cost, first thing. Okay, because of the license cost. Okay. The second, what your good name, please? Sorry, I'm not getting your name.
Santosh.
Santosh. Okay. The same reason, because of good surfacing and the CATIA and the environment is very simple. The surfacing commands in CATIA and the environment of catia is very simple. Okay, and specifically we have the boolean operations. Okay, I think someone knows boolean operations, someone is not having any idea, no issue. So le- let's come back to the presentation. Okay, so again, sir, we want proof. Why catia? Here you can see this image. This is the article. You can read it. Okay, or after the session, or let's say after 15 minutes, I will share the same presentation with you. You can go through the presentation one by one, no issue. Here you can see the screenshot of ChatGPT. You can just check. Okay, you have the smart mobiles in your hand. Just go through it and just ask, sir, just ask ChatGPT, which software, design software should I learn in 2026? I want to target BMW. Just mention these names. These are the OEMs. What is OEM? Anyone knows what is OEM?
Own equipment manufacturing.
Perfect. Some examples of OEM?
Caterpillar, Honda, Mahindra.
Perfect.
Maruti.
Yeah. Mahindra, Maruti, BMW. These are the list. Here you can see the list. This is the list. And can you see this license? What is this software? The license. Here you can see the Toyota. Can you see? Okay, please count. Please count the license with respect to the OEMs. Tell me the count for PTC Creo. How many companies are having PCT Creo license? See again, this screenshot, we have not created this screenshot. Okay, you will find this screenshot on Google. Not this screenshot, you will find one article. You can just check on Google quickly. PTC Creo 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 OEMs are having the PTC Creo license. Count the ugnx. NX 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 OEMs are having ugnx license. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Katia. Any doubt? So those who are working on SolidWorks, Solid Edge, we don't know how they will enter in automobile industry, design industry. Okay. Any doubt? Shall we move to the next slide quickly? In 15 minutes, we are going to finish this slide. If you don't have any doubt, we can move. Yes, after 15 minutes, you will receive the same presentation. Okay. Then, sir, as you mentioned, sir, you will have the design test, you will share the resume and all. After that, there will be some technical interview. Yes. See, what is the process to enter in any OEMC or, sorry, OEM and MNCs? Okay. Design test, in design test, there will be 4 category. So, means, will it be applicable experience wise? No, not depend on your experience. Yes, there is a, let's say, 50% chances depending on your experience they will conduct your design test. Okay, but in average you will have to focus on all 4 topics. First topic is remastering dumb to parametric. What is this first topic? Any idea what is dumb to parametric or remastering? Quickly.
Scan data to
S-
perfect parametric data.
Scan data to perfect parametric data. Again, second. Quickly. What is dumb to parametric? What is dump?
Reverse engineering, I think.
Yeah, reverse engineering. But what? Tell me in one sentence. What is reverse engineering? What is dump data? Here you can see the dump. Let me keep over here. Just focus on the first
Convert
one.
non-parametric into parametric.
Yeah, means what is shivling? What is my question? What is dump? What is dump? Okay, simple. Just read this one. Converting and optimizing existing non-history project CAD data into standard parametric 3D. Means, let's suppose Shivling is working in our company. Okay, okay, and after 3 years he left the company. Okay, and Vignesh I joined our company again, CAD-VERCITY Technologies. Okay, but Vignesh wants to work on one project and he wants data of same project on which Shivling has already worked. Okay, but Shivling has not kept the data on server. The parametric data means the history data which Vignesh can edit. But he has kept the dump data. Dump means it will be only a it will be a simple solid